we'll guide you through how to use motion tracking in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project. Import the video clip you want to work with by clicking the Import button and dragging your video into the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, you need to select the clip by clicking on it. Look for the camera tracking option in the toolbar at the top. Click on it, and you'll see a small square appear on your video preview. This is the tracker that will follow the motion in your video. Adjust the size and position of the tracker over the object you want to track. It's important to make sure the tracker is snugly around the object for the best results. Next, click the Start Tracking button, and CapCut will automatically analyze and track the movement of the object throughout the clip. After the tracking is complete, you can add text, stickers, or other elements that you want to follow the motion. Simply add the element to your timeline and, in the Properties panel, link it to the motion path created by the tracker. You can adjust the timing and positioning as needed. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can go ahead and export your video by clicking on the Export button at the top right of the screen. Choose your preferred settings and save your file. And that's how you use motion tracking in CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.